Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites, so we fix access restricted quickly. First, make sure you're logged into the same Instagram account tied to NGL and that email or phone is current. Once done, check device date/time and update the NGL app to the latest version because authentication errors often follow outdated software. Then clear the app cache and force close it. Restart the phone to remove residual session tokens. These steps remove common blockers before deeper troubleshooting. Next, revoke and reauthorize access to reset tokens and permissions. Go into Instagram settings, then security, then apps and websites, and remove NGL from active permissions. This invalidates the old session. Once removed, uninstall the NGL app, reboot the device, and reinstall from the official App Store. Do not use third-party downloads. When you open NGL, reauthorize using Instagram login and accept required permissions. This forces a fresh OAuth handshake and resolves many access restricted. Finally, isolate network or account causes and complete the recovery. Try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or enable a reputable VPN to a country where NGL is allowed, because regional restrictions often trigger access messages. Also test with another Instagram account on the same device to see if the block is account-specific. If the problem persists, gather screenshots, list steps you tried, and contact NGL support. Make sure to mention app version, device model, OS version, and exact error text for quicker resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.